Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Praveen Kaur and today we will be doing the most important one markers, especially of the chapter Nationalism in India. This is basically the chapter of class 10th history. So without wasting time, let's get started. First question is, who financed expenditure of World War One? So the answer is war loans, tax, income tax and custom duties. So स्टार्ट करने से पहले बता दूं कि यू मस्ट रीड द एनसीईआरटी प्रॉपरली, हाईलाइट द इंपॉर्टेंट लाइंस. यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट one or two questions from these questions which I am teaching in your examination. Next is, why were rurals angry with Britishers? Because there was forced recruitment of soldiers, crop field was failed, and influenza pandemic was spread. So basically there are some more reasons you can definitely check out in your NCERT. Next is, what was Rowlatt Act of 1919? So the answer is, it gave Britishers immense power to repress political activities, detain political prisoners for 2 years without trial. Most important definition. Next question is, what was Mahatma Gandhi reaction to Rowlatt Act? So the answer is, there was a non-violent civil disobedience on 6th April. It was a hartal basically. Next question is, why did Mahatma Gandhi join Khilafat issue? So the answer is, to bring Hindus and Muslims together. ठीक है. Next question is, two leaders of Khilafat movement. Favorite question of the examiner, and the answer is Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Next question is, what resolution was passed at Calcutta session of Congress September 1920? So the answer is, to launch Khilafat non-cooperation. Okay, next question is, name the famous book written by Gandhiji. Again, one of the most important and favorite questions of the in charge or the subject teacher. Answer is Hind Swaraj. Next question is, under which agreement depressed classes got reserved seats in 1932? Answer is Pune Pact. Next question, what do you know about Alluri Sitaram Raju? He was the leader of Andhra movement. Gandhiji used to pray him, and he was a violent person. He did not follow the rules of non-violence. So there are some more points in your NCERT that he used to have some extraordinary powers, so you need to read that as well. Next is, what was England Immigration Act of 1859? So the answer is, the plantation workers were not permitted to leave the plantation without permission. Next is, what was Chauri Chaura movement? So the answer is, गोरखपुर में जो पुलिस स्टेशन फायर कर दिया गया था, आग लगा दी गई थी, और 11 पुलिस जो मैन थे उनको मार दिया गया था. नेक्स्ट इज, हु वाज सर जॉन साइमन? ही वाज द लीडर ऑफ द न्यू टॉरी गवर्नमेंट टू सेट अप स्टैचुअरी कमीशन. ये इंग्लैंड से इनको भेजा गया था टू सेट अप अ न्यू स्टैचुअरी कमीशन इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन इंडिया. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये जो पैसेज है ना, ये वाला ये आप रीड कर लेना. गो बैक साइमन जो था, इंडियंस ने बोला था बिकॉज देयर वाज नो इंडियन मेंबर इन द ग्रुप. सो यू मस्ट नो दीज पॉइंट्स. ओके, आई एम टेलिंग यू साइड बाय साइड एज वेल. नेक्स्ट इज, हाउ लॉन्ग वाज दांडी मार्च? हाउ मच टाइम डिड इट टेक? So it is one of the most important questions. Again I am saying, so ये लॉन्ग आंसर्स में भी आपके काम आएगा. ठीक है, ये पॉइंट कि 240 माइल्स का रास्ता था और उन्होंने 24 डेज में कवर किया था. तो सिंपल सी मैथमेटिक्स लगाकर आंसर आ जाता है कि दे यूज टू वॉक 10 miles a day. Next is, what kind of flag was introduced in Swadeshi movement? Answer is red, green, yellow with 8 lotuses. मतलब उसमें 3 कलर थे, रेड, ग्रीन और येलो, और उसमें 8 लोटसेस थे और एक क्रिसेंट मून भी बना हुआ था. अभी मैं बता देती हूँ इंपॉर्टेंट 6 मार्कर्स. बेसिकली अगर आपका MCQ बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आ रहा है तो आई डोंट थिंक कि इतने लॉन्ग आएंगे, बट इनके जो ये जो टॉपिक्स होते हैं ना लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस में, ये डेफिनेटली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. बिकॉज अगर आपको लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, यू कैन डेफिनेटली आंसर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस. इनमें जो पॉइंट्स होते हैं उनके ही MCQs बनकर आ जाते हैं. तो एक्सप्लेन द जलियांवाला मास्कर एंड इट्स अफेक्ट ऑन पंजाब. मतलब ये जो पैसेज है ना आपकी बुक में, जलियांवाला बाग वाला, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसको अच्छे से रीड कर लेना, इसमें से 1 मार्कर्स आ सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज, इवेलुएट द रोल ऑफ वुमेन इन सिविल disobedience movement. Again I would say the same. This is also important. Next is, why did Gandhiji launch nationwide Satyagraha movement against Rowlatt Act 1919? Why did Gandhiji called off civil disobedience movement? What were the impacts of World War One? And why did Gandhiji launch civil disobedience movement? Explain any 3 reasons. So you can answer any one of these 6 questions in the comment section. I will be glad to see your comment. I will check it as well. Thank you for watching my video. You can subscribe to my channel because I will be coming up with much more quality content. Tata.